Worst fridge ever. Don't buy any Whirlpool product. This fan broke from this fan motor. Okay, so from that fan, this blade broke, and he is saying that entire unit has to be replaced, and it costs 4,000 rupees. This fridge costs 20,000, and he's charging. Whirlpool is charging 4,000 rupees for that. Absolutely worst. And this is just like 3 years. 3 years old. Don't ever buy any Whirlpool product. Waste products. Absolutely waste. They have no warranty, nothing. Worst Whirlpool ever. This motor is actually showing like 600 rupees in online, but he is saying that motor costs 4,000 rupees along with service charge. Like 3,200 for that, and remaining is the service charge. Waste. Waste Whirlpool. All fraud. Fraud technicians, and Whirlpool is fraud.